again, ladies and gentlemen, CT5. This time, kind of, I don't know, thinking about myself growing up with a disability. I don't know, when you're younger, you tend to be a little bit self-conscious about what people think, and that's typical. But does it change when you age, or, in my case, it did. It's not just what people thought, but how. And again, it all depends upon the disability itself, but what are your thoughts on this? With the CP being a noticeable disability. When I was a kid, it wasn't too much of a big deal. Primarily because I had a family dynamic and friends that were going to a private institution at the time that specialized in kids with disabilities, whether it be physical, or especially in our cases, learning disabilities. We couldn't go from A to B between, as the mathematical saying goes, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, Pythagorean theorem, or the same or shortest distance between two places is a straight line. So we had to find different methods of learning. So, it was a little bit different because we went to a school that specialized in that area. This is public school now, whom is very unforgiving, and they don't necessarily teach what the schools back then taught, much less how to manage it, and how to learn how to accept it. And then, accepting a disability in your kid, it's not the easiest thing to do. Fit in, and as mentioned previously, it's normal for me is completely abnormal for someone else, and so their definition is completely different. And in my case, my question is how were you educated about disabilities when you were young? Really, another question is why you were educated in that way, what methods were used to help you learn about it, whether visual, audio, or both, or practical application. I think practical application is very, very important, especially when you're younger, because when you have that experience of O&M, orientation of the building, in my case being legally blind, I had to learn how to get around the neighborhood. And so that's practical application of somebody who can't really see too well. It's more, practical application is a little bit more important than just reading about it. Just like some doctors who diagnose disabilities versus, living with them, and that's a big difference. And how would you educate somebody in the general public who genuinely wants to know about it? I guess it also depends on the disabilities themselves, but I'd like to get some feedback on it. So please, welcome comments below. And if you would also, you can get in touch with me at CrippleTail05 on Instagram and Twitter. well. As mentioned, you can also comment below. We can get together on video, whatever platform that may be, and have, just a conversation between the two of us. So, for the time being, CT5 signing off. Thanks again, guys. Please like and subscribe so we can grow the channel, and we'll go from there.